I'm Ramon from Logica, and I just want to thank you. I want to share a gem we made to help, well, to make it easier for our Rails apps to talk to each other. So our client has a bunch of Rails apps that need to talk to each other, and I noticed that there was this pattern that they had where you send a job, and then after a while that other server will ping you back when it's done, and then this code was custom everywhere. So we made something to make it a little easier, and this is going to be a quick 5-minute presentation about what this looks like. Okay, so the simplest way when you want two apps to talk to each other is you make a web call, the other app in the controller does something, and then it renders JSON, most likely JSON, right? That's what the cool thing to use is nowadays. But it's expensive, and what we're taught is put stuff in background workers when you can. But that's a little more involved because you have to do a lot more work. The next is like a feed architecture where you ping the other app to look at a feed that you have. So you ping that other app, that app as a worker starts up, looks at the feed you have, and then processes data. And the last is, well, these are not the only three, but usually the three that are implemented. Job architecture, like what I discussed. You post another app will do something and get back to you. Like, you might put a callback. So we made this thing called ASYNCAPI, where you have to install one on the app that requests work to be done, and the other app that is doing the work. They're two gems. And it's asynchronous on both ends. When you request the other app to do work, that's done in the background. When the other app does work, that will be done in the background as well, using Sidekick right now. It's tied to Sidekick. When the other app is done, the gem takes care of pinging back to the one that requested the work to be done. And then you can easily say, when there's a queue error, do this. When it's complete, do this. When there's an error processing on the other side, do this. And when the other server doesn't when the other app doesn't reply, do this. And this is an example. I hope you can read it. And this is a little long because here I kind of put all the options. When you post to a URL, there's a payload. Okay, that's not working. So you post a URL, there's a payload, and then you specify what happens when it's successful, when there's an error, etc. This is how a callback class looks like. There are certain things you have access to, like the job, and certain things you stuck in the callback params here if you need access to those. And okay, that's it. I don't want to go too much into detail because it gets a little complex, but this simplifies it tremendously. So you don't have to worry about how do you update the job, when does it update, timing out, what do you do when the server doesn't respond, things like that. So I hope it's helpful. Again, service-oriented architecture isn't necessarily the way to go, but if you're in that direction and you opted not to use like messaging, message queues, or any of the other styles that I described earlier, and use HTTP, and that's how you want to talk to your apps, this might be helpful.